Healthy streams are important, but some streams have not been as healthy as they should be. Fairfax County Stormwater Planning Division has initiated several restoration projects to address this concern, and one example is the Dead Run Stream Restoration Project. Over the last 2 years, work has been completed in multiple phases at different locations within McLean, Virginia. Construction of Phase 1 of this project started at the Dominican Retreat in 2016. Originally a retreat run by the Dominican Sisters of the Catholic Church, this land was subsequently sold to a private developer just as the stream restoration project was going to construction.
Stream restoration is one of our best tools for managing stormwater to restore our local health of our streams. We're reducing the amount of erosion. We're also reducing the loss of property as it gets washed downstream. And ultimately our goal is to improve the water quality of the stream and the biological health to make better habitat for the critters, the bugs, and the fish that live in the stream. This stream originally was really eroded. The banks were vertical, in some cases well over 8–10 feet deep. So it was totally disconnected to the floodplain. As that erosion occurs, it's burying the habitat, so the fish, it affects the fish and the other bugs that live in the stream, and ultimately degrades the water quality. So construction of this phase of Dead Run Stream Restoration Project started in 2016. We completed construction in 2017, and the plants and vegetation you'll see along the stream valley was actually planted in the fall of 2017. And over time, we want to help the native vegetation that we put in the ground grow, see the trees grow and the canopy close in around the stream to help protect the stream. The roots of these trees and shrubs hold the banks in place. And then again, they provide a food source and shade the stream itself.
Phases 2 and 3 of the Dead Run Restoration Project are located within the McLean Central Park and Dead Run Stream Valley Park. Work is scheduled to be completed in early 2019. Care was taken to maintain park access and function during the construction process, and impact to trees and land were minimized. Additional trees and shrubs will be planted, not only to replace those lost to stream bank erosion, but also to enhance the surrounding vegetation.
Early on, when the project was initially presented to the community, there was a lot of concern expressed by various community members about a number of topics. Tree loss, for example. People were afraid that the project was going to impact their homes. There was concern about loss of access to trails. It became very obvious that there were enough issues and concerns that we needed to really focus on it as a community. So we brought everyone together, mostly residents around here, around the stream, but also McLean Citizens Association, Environmental Committee, McLean Trees, and we put together a team to work with staff, county staff, various departments from county staff. In the end, someone came up with a really cool name of Stream Team, and so we worked together for several years, from 2014 to I think through 2017, to get this right and to get buy-in from the community and to make sure the community understood why it was so important that we do a stream restoration project like this.
Well, first of all, the McLean Citizens Association tries to get ahead of major projects in the community, and the appropriate committee approaches county staff. So Environment, Parks and Recreation Committee with the MCA, of course, pays attention to what's going on, and county staff keeps in touch with us. So we knew this was an oncoming plan. It was going to happen. Again, I have such a great deal of respect for again, not only the outreach, but the incredible amount of work that county staff puts in, and patience in explaining the process, the visuals that they bring to these meetings, and the opportunity to tour the site. There's nothing that the residents, no question that residents had that went unanswered.
The stream valley itself is protected under that floodplain and stormwater easement, as well as within the resource protection area, which is part of our local Chesapeake Bay Preservation Ordinance that limits the encroachment of development into the stream valley. The stream itself and a minimum 100-foot buffer adjacent to it, and then also protects wetlands within the stream corridor that are connected to the stream. The stream restoration projects that we do have multiple benefits for the community. They're stabilizing the land, protecting the land, whether it's public land or private land. They're making the stream valley more accessible for recreational purposes and passive rec to walk along the stream valley. So instead of a degraded channel, we have this beautiful stream valley now. Over time, we should see more birds, different species to enjoy within the stream valley with the new plants and food sources that we have here. And then for us, it's all about water quality and stream health. And then ultimately, we're also not only local stream health, but the health of the Potomac River and the Chesapeake Bay. So these projects are a starting point, stabilizing and restoring the streams at the top, and they'll benefit everything downstream as well.
I think one of the key factors of living in Fairfax County is that you have a voice and you can be heard. And that's so important, particularly when we're having an impact on things you love, like McLean Central Park, like your backyard, like the trees. And so this was an example, I think, of how Fairfax County will do everything it possibly can to ensure that everyone's voice is heard.
The Dead Run Watershed Plan, stream monitoring information, and a list of ongoing projects is available on the county's stormwater website. Visit fairfaxcounty.gov/publicworks/stormwater.